morning guys, another day, another vlog, and we're here in this hotel in Ortigas area. First time natin mat-stayan to, and we're very glad to be invited to stay here. I'm so excited to share this with you kasi this is really budget-friendly hotel. If you're looking for staycation in the city area, wala lang, gusto mo lang magpahinga, gusto mo lang ng another environment, gusto mo lang ng malapit sa mall, malapit sa mga kainan, at malayo sa bahay mo, this is perfect for all of you. So we are here in Privato Hotel Ortigas. This is along Shaw Boulevard. Tapos maraming restaurants sa baba. Walking distance to Estancia, Unimart, Capitol Commons, napakalapit lang. So if naghahanap ka ng staycation na murang-mura for as low as 2,000 pesos per night, pwede ka magstay dito. So papakita ko lang yung room namin. This is our deluxe double queen room located here at the 20th floor. So ito yung binigay sa amin na room, and we're very happy and grateful kasi ang ganda ng room. Sobrang simple lang, sobrang straightforward. Ito na yung itsura niya. 2 queen beds siya. So if you're a family, pwede siya 2 adults, 2 kids here. Pwede nga rin 3 kasya dyan eh, oo. May paganito pa sila sa amin, Diyos ko, late Valentine's celebration. O, diba? Meron silang pa-welcome cookies for us, nakalagay, Dear Miss Ibiernas. Yung asawa ko parang dun, multo. Dear Miss Ibiernas, yan, on behalf of the ladies and gentlemen of Privato Ortigas, it's a pleasure to welcome you to our property. Ayan, Privato team, thank you so much. And then on the other side, meron naman tayong mirror dyan, hair dryer, and working desk. And then dito, may body mirror. Tapos nakakatuwa kasi parang service apartment na rin siya kasi may mini kitchen dito, sink, and then may storage. Andito yung mga pang-inumin mo. Baso, ayan. So, pwede ka mag-host ng bridal shower dito, o diba? Pwede, nakita niyo na. And then there's also a cabinet with a robe. Oh, perfect. And then, this one is the safety deposit box. So, storage. Mini ref tayo dito. And then, slippers over there. Storage ulit. And then, there's snack bar here. Kettle. Tapos, ito na. Very spacious yung room. Hindi ka masisikipan dito. Pwede mong bulat-latin yung luggage mo. Sobrang mura lang talaga tong hotel na to. At sobrang lamig ng aircon. So, ang view mo ay construction. So, yan, normal yan sa Pilipinas at sa city. Yan, yung nasa baba ay Shaw Boulevard na yan. Basically, nakaikot na kami kanina. There's a roof deck. And then dun sa roof deck, opposite nun, andun yung pool area. So the pool is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Maliit lang siya na pool, 4 feet lang siya. So pakita ko na lang sa inyo later. And of course, they also have breakfast. Kapag hindi ka nag-avail ng breakfast, pwede ka mag-avail for 350 pesos per head. So, ang breakfast is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then, meron din silang restaurant na mag-open from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tama ba? O parang ganon. So, hindi ka na kailangan lumabas. Also, meron silang mga partner restaurants dito sa Estancia. Pag pinakita mo tong keycard mo ng Privato, pwede ka nilang bigyan ng discount. So, sasabihin ko sa inyo yan later. Inaantay ko lang kung ano yung mga restaurants na yun para matry natin. Okay, so for the restaurants, nag-reply na sa atin si Den. Sabi niya, ang partner sila is Soy Chicken Estancia, Shilin Estancia, Poco Deli Unimart, Key Singapore Roast Unimart. So just present your private key card for 10% off. Not bad, di ba? Makaka-discount ka pa sa pagkain mo. Paglabas mo ng room mo, merong water refilling station here. So at least di ka na mamroblema sa tubig. Dito na tayo sa roof deck. Pupunta tayo sa pool at saka sa gym area nila. So this is how the gym looks like. Maliit lang siya na gym na may water. And then there is the pool. Super liit lang na pool. 4 feet lang yan. Don't worry. And the roof deck. So dito, every 2 o'clock to 5 p.m., meron silang ino-offer na free coffee and drinks dyan. Tapos you can lounge here. May mga sofa sa labas. Pwede rin daw itong pa-rent for private function. Kung gusto nyo daw ng intimate party, pwede rin daw dito. Sabi ko sa inyo, you can have breakfast for 350 per head. And then, ito yung 2 to 5 p.m. free coffee, tea, and snacks. Ito yung rooftop area nila. This is their executive twin room. Ito yung pinaka-standard room. So, good for 2 people. Bathroom of executive twin. Okay, spacious enough. And then, paglabas mo, ito na yung room. And then, hair dryer. May view of Ortigas, Pasig. And then there's TV, working desk, coffee and tea area. May ano tayo, no? Meron din tayong mini ref. Yan. And then yung cabinet natin, this one. Oh, may safety deposit box. I'm back, guys, here in Privato Hotel, and super dami nangyari kahapon. So from the business event nung hapon hanggang gabi, ni-rush yung dad ko sa ER. So after our event, pumunta muna kami ng UARM, and then tinignan namin, in-assess naman siya, buti na discharge siya. So nakauwi na kami around mga 3 a.m. kanina dito sa hotel. And right now, tuloy natin yung vlog. Buti okay na siya. Thank you, Lord. So andito tayo ngayon sa another type of room nila, which is the superior room. On the same floor, 20th floor din. Tapos ito yung itsura niya. Yan. Ang laki. So it's a queen bed. Very, very spacious, as you can see. Alam nyo guys, yung tulog namin kagabi sa bed na ganito, okay na okay, hindi siya mauga. Alam mo, pag malikot ka matulog, usually sa katabi mo, di ba, nagigising ka. Yung surprisingly, the pillows are really comfortable. For me, but hindi siya yung like, alam nyo yung mga favorite kong pillow, di ba, yung sobrang parang niyayakap yung mukha mo. Hindi siya ganun na ganun, pero close to that. As in, like, close to that. So, pasok siya. And then, what I like about this superior room is may, mini table and chairs. So, pwede kang umano dito. Tapos, ang sobrang lawak niya na pwede kang magbulat-lat ng kahit anong mga gamit mo dyan, luggage mo and all. Tapos, ang laki-laki ng bintana. Ito yung bintana. Tapos, ang view ay Unimart. Building at saka Unimart. O, diba? So, pag nandito ka naman sa view na to, ito yung itsura niya. O, diba? Very, very spacious siya. I love it. Tapos, yun yung working desk mo with blower, may mga saksakan, may mirror, hindi pala full body mirror, ang lamig ng aircon. Tapos, ito yung TV, and then this is your storage area and coffee and tea area. Ayan. Tapos, ang maganda rin dito, meron din silang mini kitchen. So, same lang din doon sa room namin. Pero ito, mas maluwag kasi nga, hindi siya 2 beds. 1 queen bed siya. Tapos ito yung safety deposit box. So basically, sobrang simple lang niya. And this is their banyo. It's the same also as our banyo. Yan, may bidet naman sila, which is a good thing. Susunod natin yung may handlebar kasi para sa mga seniors. Yun. So again, this is superior room here in Privato Hotel. So, let's go to another type of room. Papakita ko sa inyo para marami kayong option. Gusto natin yan, marami tayong option. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa room 812. This is an executive king room. Gusto natin ang ilaw. Okay, so mas maliit siya ng konti as compared to the previous one. Pero ang laki ng bed. King bed talaga siya. So, malaki rin yung window. Merong patungan ng gamit. It's not as spacious as the one kanina, pero the bed is king size. And then, this is how it looks like. Yan. Yung working desk mo and all. Area mo ng coffee and tea, yung storage, yung cabinet. Ito yung mirror. And then, this is their banyo. May bidet din. Okay, rain shower naman siya. Yan. Okay, so same lang naman siya. I forgot to remember that each room has fire extinguisher. So, important yan in case of any fire. So, we're finished with these types of room nila dito sa Privato kasi yung iba occupied. Kaya hindi na natin napuntahan yung iba. Pero, good enough. Alam mo, na-realize ko na okay din pala tong hotel na to kasi may swimming pool din sila sa taas. So, perfect talaga siya for staycations and mini parties. So, okay na okay. Tapos, very affordable yung rate. So, balik na tayo sa baba. Soli na natin itong mga keycard na to na pinahiram sa atin at sobrang grateful ako sa Privato Hotel for the trust that they gave me that I can actually shoot in the room so that I can show you and then you have options when you want to do staycation here in Pasig, Ortigas, Pasig. Also, nakalagay sa elevator nila that when you book an executive room, the rate starts at 3,600. Anong inclusion nun? Meron silang Privato Amore something. Meron siyang massage for 2 and breakfast for 2 at the same time. So, kunin nyo na yun, lalo na if you're a married couple, diba? Kinlari clarify ko rin sa front desk na when you book the Amore at Privato, yung package nila sa website nila ng Privato, you can actually get an executive room, overnight stay for 2, with complimentary breakfast and complimentary 16-minute massage. O, di ba? 3,600 pesos lang yun. Dalawa na kayo, tas may massage ako, may breakfast. Sulit na yun, di ba? Mukha pala akong intern sa outfit natin today, all white. Intern talaga ng medicine, ganun. So, kung ibebenta ko man tong hotel na to sa inyo, at least may pool to, may gym. Meron din silang co-working space sa roof deck. Tapos, meron silang sariling coffee shop. Katabi niya Chowking. Tapos, meron silang partner restaurants. So, ito na nga yung room namin. Naririnig pa yung mga nagpa-practice ng choir. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog!
Hi to the vlog!
So, mag-stay sila dito with us kasi meron kaming business event until tomorrow. Ang kulit kasi nung balloon. So, si Mike, ayan siya, nakahiga. They're just waiting for their massage, 60-minute massage. Ako kasi hindi ako pwede magpamassage kasi kaka-opera ko lang. So, baka nag-heal pa yung inner body ko. So, hindi talaga. Yeah. So, ayan, ito yung scenario. Maluwag pa talaga tong kwarto na to. So, 2 queen bed siya. Technically, okay talaga for 4. So, hindi kami nagsiksikan ng asawa ko. So, maluwag pa talaga siya. So, guys, this is the spa room. Ito yung kasama kapag ka nag-book ka ng executive room. Guys, this is how the spa room looks like. Meron siyang divider naman dito. Tapos ang maganda kasi yung mukha mo, nandun sa ganyan. So makakahinga ka, hindi mangangawit yung leeg mo pag minasage ka. Diba? Yan yung gusto natin. Ito naman yung sa kabila. So ang magmamassage for me ay si Pearl. Hindi ako pwede operahan. Ay, kaka-opera ko lang so hindi ako pwede. And then si Mike, ayan, magmamassage. Excited ka na? Bisyo yan magmasahe. So this ends my vlog, Privato vlog for today. Thank you so much, Privato, for the stay here.
Thank you,
And
Privato!
ano?
Privato, para kayo may braces.
Thank you, Privato!
Ayun. So if kaya pagka gusto niyo i-book, book through their website para makita niyo talaga at sobrang mura ng hotel na to. Tapos sobrang practical for staycation talaga. Bye!